The AAP government in Delhi said on Tuesday samples of Maggi noodles is tested were found unsafe and officials of manufacturer Nestle India will be summoned as the popular instant snack brand faced the heat from authorities across the country. Only one of the 13 specimens tested by the Delhi government's Food Safety Lab was deemed acceptable, with lead levels in 10 of them exceeding the prescribed limit while 5 were inaccurately banded and contained taste enhancer monosodium glutamate without proper declaration. On an average, the samples contain 3.5 ppm of lead. Anything about 2.5 parts per million is considered too much. The highest was 4.59 ppm, said Health Minister Satyendra Jain. I have asked the Commissioner of Food Safety to study the report. We will take action accordingly. The Delhi government has decided to initiate a case against the company for selling an unsafe product and impose a financial penalty for misbranding, officials said. The 2-minute noodle brand that arrived in the country in the 1980s turned into a staple for middle-class Indians living away from home who struggle to eat on a small budget, and is ubiquitous at school and college canteens to state sudden hunger pangs. Officials in several other states including Haryana, Odisha, Uttarakhand, Gujarat, Bihar, Punjab, Maharashtra, Assam and Tamil Nadu said they had sent samples for testing at government labs. However, Nestle India said samples of the noodles, which is tested in an external laboratory as well as in-house, were found safe to eat with lead levels within acceptable limits. The quality of safety of products are the top priorities for the company, it said in a statement. Amid the growing controversy, a Bihar court ordered on Tuesday directed police to register an FIR against 2 officials of Nestle India and Bollywood stars Amitabh Bachchan, Madhuri Dixit and Preeti Zinta, who have promoted the 2-minute snack in advertisements. The court in Muzaffarpur said they may be arrested if required. In Kerala, the state food minister decided to pull Maggi noodles from government-run supermarkets and grocery outlets known as Supplyco. This is a major setback for the food chain as Supplyco runs more than 2,000 shops in the state under the 3 brand names. Last week, we decided not to take fresh stocks until Nestle is cleared of all charges. Around 1,700 outlets have taken the products off their shelves, Food Minister Anup Jacob said. The crackdown began after a spot check by the Uttar Pradesh Food Safety Department found elevated levels of MSG and lead 17 times above the permissible limit in packets of the snack during a routine test. Do not forget to subscribe our channel.